Hi there, welcome back. So today I got this 2013 Hyundai Sonata. So the customer said the steering wheel was making a lot of clanging noise due to this faulty motor right here. So what happened, there's a bushing right here, a rubber bushing that keep this from making noise. So I'm going to show you the bushing. It's rubber bushing that I can remove. That I get for it, sir. So I get this part from AutoZone. That's the bag. I'm gonna remove it one bag shortly. So that's the part number right there, the 926990. See, take a good look on it, guys. Flexible steering in coupler. That's it right there, guys. Take it from the bag. Alright, so this is the rubber. I'll show you how to put it on. So it goes right here, just like this, guys. Slide it in, and then this shaft go over it. So make sure to line up the grooves and snap on just like that, guys. So I have to take everything apart from underneath the steering column there. All these screws I have to remove. Screws and bolts. So right there. This goes to the motor right there. Also these. This is a big nut. So I'm going to put it back together. So I just want to show you guys. So in case you have an issue with your power steering, so when you turn the steering, getting that clanging noise, that's what goes bad in there, guys. So you can get it at AutoZone or online. There's a lot of them on Amazon. So I'll even leave the link in the description. You can find this rubber right there for the steering column. So hope this video help you all out there. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.